welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about B39. This is one of those colors that I don't reach out for it much, but now that I went and swatched it and I saw that it was almost new, I really liked it. I liked the softness of it. I don't know if it makes sense because it's such an intense blue. And then I combined it with BV family for the bonus combination. I really liked it, and we found two Prismacolor pencils that will match with B39. One a little bit more on the cool color, and a little bit the other one is gonna be more on the warm color. Sorry about the mess. I still filming a lot of the swatching, but I'm about to fix that. Anyway, I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Prismacolor pencils in the open stock, and we also have the 150 set, Copic refills, Copic sketch markers, and the nib replacements. Also the swatch cards, which are pretty popular right now. Thank you. We're gonna start with B39. We're flicking away from the edge. This is B37, and now is B32. Now, I made a mistake, and it was supposed to be B34. I didn't realize this until I'm swishing and swishing, and I'm like, why isn't this blending? Well, let me show you why. In a minute, as soon as I get B34 somewhere, I know it's coming. I know because I changed it. And the rest. And this is B34. I changed it already. This is YR09. And on top of it, we're gonna go with a little bit of less speed than the underpainting color with B39. On top of it, B37. And we're gonna finish it with B34. I use B34 so much because I use it a lot to underpaint reds. How did I miss this? I have no idea. The bonus combination, we are using a BV, which is gonna be the blue violet family. This is B39 on top of YR09. Now it's gonna be BV04. It's not difficult to make a blend. And BV02. Now I'm just going one more time just to make sure everything blends. Now the Prismacolor pencil match, I found two. This first one, the PC906 Copenhagen Blue. I like that one better. It gives me the coolness of B39, and you can build it. I always go very light with my pencils, and then just go again over it again until I get to where I like it. Now this one, PC902, is ultramarine, and I think it goes more towards the violet tones. If you can see it, it kind of matches with BV04. So it does have the blue, but I think it's too cool for B39. This is the staining test. I am sure it's gonna make a mess. Yep, as soon as I started pushing on it, touching it with it, so my marker got pretty dirty right away. So we're gonna start with the wings. This is the natural family combination. I'm sorry if this thing is kind of moving the video, but I'm trying new setting. You know, it's better lighting, but it moves a little bit. Don't worry, I'm working on it. That was B39. And on top of it is B37. And we're gonna end it with B34. This is not underpainted. the next one is going to be underpainted with YR09. Remember that when we underpaint, the darkest color of our combination has to cover the underpainter, which is YR09. This is B39 on top of it. And of course, I just said to do that and I didn't do it. I can see still some orange. That was B39. And then on top of it is B34. Let's practice the speed on the next wing. This is B39. The fastest that I'm gonna go in this combination. BV34 is gonna be medium speed. And then BV02. This is the slowest. The longer the nib is touching the paper, the more ink is going to be deposited into it. Remember that blending with Copic markers, alcohol markers, is going to be a chemical reaction. It's not as much as you rub and that's not going to happen. Eventually it will happen, but just do it this way. Do as I say, not as I do. This is B39 on top of YR09, and then BV04 on top of it. And we're going to finish it with BV02.